Swisscanto Asset Management's Florian Esterer joins me now from Zurich. Florian, thank you so much for talking to us. Consolidation may be a good thing, but it's not always a good thing if you consider, you know, what happened in the financial crisis. It's these huge banks probably losing track of what exactly is going on. Are you for or against consolidation in the German landscape?
Well, I think the issue with the Landesbanken isn't so much consolidation, but it's more control. I think if we look at the financial crisis, it was especially the Landesbanken who were really the worst culprits of mismanagement. And we've seen serious recapitalization needs in basically all of them. I mean, this contrasts very nicely to the cooperative sector, which is sort of similar structure in Germany. But they have basically just two head institutes, which are so low profile that basically nobody knows their name.
But so exactly why do we need consolidation? I mean, you argue that this has been going on for a while and it was just resistance from the politicians. Do we need to consolidate, and how fast do we need them to consolidate?
Well, I think the head of the German Savings Association has been very vocal about this for at least the last 2 years. He's been telling everybody who wants to listen, a lot of people who didn't want to listen, that they need at least 2 or 3 institutes at their head. A lot of the savings banks who are large owners of these Landesbanken, they haven't participated in the latest recapitalization, or at least have not participated pro quota to their share. And especially for Bayern LB, for example, the savings banks have written down the engagement there to a value of 0. So I think the message from the savings banks have been very clear that they want them to merge and to become more accountable to the savings banks, which are, of course, their largest clients.
Now, Florian, I also have to ask you really about today's market session, because everything's down. There's so much concern, still volatility, that actually we're not over the worst. I remember speaking to you 2 months ago when I was in Zurich, and you were telling me, well, Greece or some other European country is going to default in the next couple of years. How concerned are you about a double-dip recession at this point?
Well, actually, at this point, we're not so much concerned about a double-dip recession. I think our concerns are really longer terms, and that we're seeing subpar growth and real difficulties of these peripheral countries to generate adequate growth to fund their needs for the future. But I think on the shorter term, we're much more relaxed than the market seems to be.
All right, Florian, thank you so much. Florian Esterer there.